Are you ready to elevate your TV experience? This guide will show you how to buy Arabic IPTV and enjoy 30,000 plus channels. Start by visiting 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider, where you can explore affordable packages that fit your needs. Next, choose a reliable streaming device like the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max or the X2 Premium Nano. Once you have your device, install the IPTV app provided by your service.
I am waiting for...
Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a seamless viewing experience. Finally, avoid common mistakes like using free apps that may compromise your security. Stick with trusted services to enjoy high-quality content.